Ryan Sky Starts. I just went to Target and I bought these. It's Ryan's toys. It's those micro figures. Remember those micro figures I showed you in like a few episodes ago? Well, this one is micro figures, but you build it. So see how it's like broken apart? Build Orion. So you build one of Ryan's characters. You ready to open this, guys? Let's do it. Oh wait, never mind. Oh. Okay, guys, these are different heads. Let's open the first one. Here's one of Ryan's heads. Look at it. So this is Ryan wearing a cap. The next one. Yeah. Can you put that? Wait. Okay. Okay, guys, look. Now this has a little opening there. Look, a pirate hat. A pirate head. Army ID. Okay, now let's do the next one. Go over there. So here's hat on the pirate and that. What? Alien Ryan, guys. I think we got Alien Ryan. That's so cool. Okay, guys. I think now we have bodies. Ready? Let's put these together first. Wait, no. So we won't lose them. Ready? Whoa, look. We have this Ryan. And I think this Ryan has a little bat. Ah! Oh my gosh, he can go apart. And I think he's a player. Guess which head this guy goes to? This buddy here, guess what head? If you chose this one right here, you are correct. Ah. Ugh. Look at him, all ready to go. Here's Pirate Ryan. You guys could all guess it because it has a sword and an alien doesn't have a sword. So let's put the sword in his hand. Oh yeah. Oh. Just squeeze it in. We'll put it in later. Oh wait, he's supposed to hold this part? Never mind. Oh, my ID. There he is. And last one, oh, my ID. And the last one, everybody can guess, is the alien. Alien body might grow up. And look, he has this little ray gun. Look at it. Okay, just place it in his, just place it in his hand just like this. I shall kill this place. Now, alien place. Okay, guys, so let's go over who we have. So I think this is Alien Ryan. So he has like this little gun here. Wait. Let me put his gun in. He has this little gun. Here is Pirate Ryan, and he has a sword ready to fight. And we have Baseball Ryan, which can, he's ready to hit a ball whenever it comes. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, mate. thanks for watching. Adios. Thanks for watching, guys. Chikapao gotta go now. Peace.